In this video, I will show you how to add HTML code in Google Sites. Go to sites.google.com and open the site where you want to add your HTML code. On the right hand side, click on the Insert tab. Under the Insert tab, click on Embed option. When the pop-up appears, select the Embed Code tab. Copy your HTML code and paste it into the provided field. Click Next. After the preview appears, click Insert to add the HTML code to your page. You can resize or drag the embedded HTML block to position it exactly where you want on the page. Once you are happy with the placement, click the Publish button to save your changes. Now click Publish button again. That's it. In this way, you can add HTML code in Google Sites. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.